Hello everybody. Just weaned my last two tipplers. This one here is a pure Macclesfield. It's the only one I bred this year. It's a single reared net in the nest. Can't remember if she only laid one egg or what, but yeah, I've only got the one pure Macclesfield there. Got to say it's a bit bigger than the normal Macclesfields, I think, because they're normally small, but that is the pure Macclesfield as far as I know. And then I bred one cross here. This is a print hen paired to the pilot print cockbird, which is the same colour as this, but I can't show you him because I just threw him out. Actually, he's I just put him up. I just put 9 birds up, old birds. Where are they? Let's see if we can. Here they are. They haven't been out for ages, but yeah, I just chucked him out. He's up there with that. That might be him there actually. I don't know, but yeah, I just threw them out just to get them out the way, to be honest. While I'm just potting about in the shed. It's raining, as you can see. It's raining. Just going through the birdies, as you do. I'm cleaning all the pots out because what's this to you? There you go. I've cleaned all the pots out because I've treated them. They've had 4 days of treatment. Look at that. For salmonella. Just because I've got the stuff, and I thought, well, I'm going to use that up. That might be what's the matter with the prints. But it's just blanket treating them, basically. Treating blind. I've got the stuff in the cupboard, so I thought, yeah, I'll give them a few days of salmonella treatment. Look at that blue. That's #1 blue. Oldest one I got. First to be wrong. #1. A little blue here. This is number 17. Yeah, this is number 17. And that's actually survived every fly at the minute because it had dirty wattles. They're not looking great now at the minute, but the droppers have tightened up a bit. Obviously that's a few days on there. I've not scraped them out. Me bad. But come on then. Come on. Got one more blue. Unfortunately, I had to. I lost one blue. I only bred 5 blues. I lost one, probably to the falcon. Here's number 6, I think it is. Look at that. She's got 3 blues. And the one I had an injured one, and just really bad injured, so I had to dispose of that. That weren't going to fly again. You spend too much time looking after ill pigeons. You should concentrate on the better ones. So it just went. I got rid of it. Look at that hen bird. I think these are all hens. And that one goes around like a cockbird. Come on hen. Come on. But yeah, look at this little beauty. It's number 22. That's had a fly. 15 hours. Is it number 22 or 23? I can't remember now. Where's its nest mate? Its nest mate is number 20 something. It might be this one here. No, that's number 4. They're all the same way anyway. Look at that. I'm putting these in here because I'm going to put a bath on the roof. Being just raining. I'll let them go in the bath. So Get them all out of the individual boxes. This is the old Sheffield. This is a pure Sheffield. The yellow ringed bird. I'm actually hoping it's a hen bird. If that's a hen bird, that'd be in the stock loft next year breeding. I'll have 5 pairs to breed from. Number 5. Look at that. Come on then. Come on. Come on then. Who's left? Got another one here. This is number 22. Yeah, that first one must be 23. Let's actually let's make to that one there. Look. That's right. That's the trouble with these reds. They all look the same. One more up the top. Right, we've got a cockbird. Number 7, it's a cockbird. These are now averaging 4 hours for an exercise period. Not the tube, not the print and that one, not that one. The rest I'm talking about in a minute. Right, we'll get onto the prints. Right, now we're on the prints. I've windowed the birds down to finding out that it's either this one or this one that took the whole kit of prints onto the house roof. I don't know which one it is. It's either this one or that one. I let the prints out the other day and they were all on the house roof. I saw one of them take the whole lot of 9 onto the house roof, so we're going to find out which one it is, and I've windowed it down to one of these 2. I know that because I saw 2 birds peeling out the sky the other day, which was just these 2, and they both went straight and landed on my house, which isn't good. We don't like that. Look at them beauties. Well, I think out of these 9, out of the 9 prints I've got, I think I've got 8 hens. These ones have only been in the box 2 days without a fly. They're due for a fly today, these other ones. These, but they're not going to fly today, I doubt. Come on. Come on then. Come on then. Right. Yeah, I believe all these might be hen birds. We'll save the one cockbird till the end. What do you reckon? Definitely all hens, I reckon.
One more henbird here.
Right. Yeah.
And we've got one cockbird. Come on, mate.
He's gonna go round. He's gonna go mad when you get in here. Yeah, I reckon the rest of these are all hens, which is okay. He's the only one that coo around like that. The rest, I'm sure, are henbirds. Right, so I'm going to get these on the roof in the bath. It's raining, they'll love it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.